Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is a clean and declutter. It is slightly different to my normal videos. I'm not going to be cleaning the whole house. I am just focusing on areas that really need doing, and as you can see, these cupboards really need doing, so this is where I'm starting. I'm just going to empty everything out, and because I've got my spring cleaning coming up soon, I just want to know what cleaning products I've got, so I don't go out and spend money that I don't have on products I don't need. I like to have everything organised this time of year, so I'm just going to pull everything out and just give them a good sort out, getting rid of anything that I don't use and any empty bottles and things like that. I do show some close-ups throughout this video so you can see how dirty everything actually is, because I know from a distance everything can actually look quite clean when it's really not. So once I've done this, I do also move into the hallway and give that a good clean, and again I will show you the before because it is pretty filthy, but right now I just want to tackle the kitchen, get it nice and decluttered and organised, ready for the spring clean.
To people like us, struggling to come through, we had a fire that we watched burn out.
Go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up if you're also getting ready to do your spring cleaning. I don't know if I'm the only one that likes to organise beforehand, but it just makes it so much easier when I know what products I've got, especially with the spring cleaning. I give everything a deeper clean, so knowing what I've got and what I've got to use is just so helpful, and I don't then have to waste time doing all the decluttering when I could just go in and give the whole house a deep clean, which is what I'm really looking forward to. So that's why I just wanted to declutter everything and see what I've got. So do let me know down in the comments if you're spring cleaning, or if you're anything like me and you like to organise before the spring clean. Let me know. So it's no surprise really that the two main cupboards in my kitchen are for cleaning products. I just love cleaning products. I love getting new ones. I'm that person that gets excited over a new spray, but I've tried to whittle it down to just what I really need and what I actually use, and I've also sectioned it off, so I've kept all of the seasonal stuff together because I've still got stuff left over from Christmas that I can just use next year. I've got a box for the bathroom, so when I go upstairs I can just take the box instead of having to take all of the products, and I've also kept everything that I use on a daily basis at the front so I can just grab it and go. So the system at the moment works really well, it looks really good, and hopefully I can keep it like it for longer than a week.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So I think this cupboard always ends up looking worse than it actually is, so I'm just going to take out all of the recycling. We have that box in there so it's easier for us to carry it out, but we still don't take it out on time, and then the whole cupboard just gets full of the recycling rubbish that needs taken out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then sort out all of the bottles and everything at the bottom and just see how much space it gives me.
Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
It's so weird what you find when you have a good declutter, but I'm pretty sure we don't need phone chargers and cables in the same cupboard that we have the drinks. I don't know why they were shoved in the back, but I finally got those out. We've probably been looking for them, so I found them now. I can put them with the rest of the phone chargers and all of the other cables that we've got, and just have the bottom purely for our drinks and stuff. But because we don't have that much storage, I do keep a big bag of pasta. We are pasta lovers. Well, I am anyway. Rob's not that keen, but me and Michael love pasta, so we have a big bag at the back of the cupboard, and then just the drinks to one side. But I do also have Cinnabons, food and everything in this one as well, just because, like I said, we don't have that much storage, but I think it still works really well. And once I got rid of all the rubbish, I am actually surprised at how much space I still had left. So hopefully I can keep on top of the recycling and this cupboard can just stay clear because it looks so much better.
With me.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me.
Once I had all that done, I'm then going to put all of my microfiber cloths and a couple of hand towels in the wash. Just to get those done, I am going to stick them in the tumble dryer. With the microfiber cloths, I do normally hang them up, but because that's all I'm washing with a couple of hand towels, I just want to get it done and out the way today, so I am going to stick them in the tumble dryer just to get them done a little bit quicker. And then I'm now just going to go round and put away all of the random things that I found in the back of the cupboards and just give the kitchen a bit of a tidy up, and then go in and do the floor. I will show you a close-up in a minute of how filthy it actually got during this process, because again, sometimes it can look like it's clean when it's not. So here is what it actually looks like, and it really needs some TLC. So I'm going to go over it with the dustpan and brush before going in with the Hoover, especially when it's hard floor. I do like to go in and get all of the corners and everything, because sometimes the Hoover can just bat things around on a hard floor. So to make sure that doesn't happen, because I've got like so much on the floor at the moment, I'm just going to go in with the dustpan and brush and scoop it up, and then go back in with the Hoover after.
Under your face, pretty sweet and sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, one.
So my hallway has definitely seen better days. As you can see, it's just covered in mud and it just needs a bit of TLC. So I'm going to go in with the Hoover first of all, just to get up any of the dry mud and whatever else is on the floor. And then I'm going to go in with my carpet cleaner and give it a good scrub and just try and get as much of this mud off as possible.
Over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything.
I really do love this Vanish carpet cleaner. It literally gets anything off. Like, I've spilt red wine on the carpet before, I've spilt coffee on the carpet before, and it literally just gets rid of everything. So I don't know what I would do without it, but I definitely do recommend it if you've not tried it. But now all I need to do is sort out the hand towels and the microfiber cloths and just get those put away, so I've got some fresh ones to use tomorrow.
Maybe you could be my salvation out here. Love.
really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you the motivation that you came looking for. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it has, and also subscribe. I post every single day bringing you lots of motivation, decluttering, organisation and home decor inspo, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So click the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Fight